Hi guys, hi people, how are you? Hope you're doing fine. Hope your sales are growing. Mine are good for being January. Today I'm having 8 sales. I'm recording this on Saturday. $20 on royalties. It's normal, it's okay. It's January, nothing big. I'm working on deleting all stuff that has not been selling and I'm changing it for new stuff. So for today guys, I'm gonna teach you a new, it's not a new secret, it's a technique that I've used sometime in the past that I am using now again because I'm trying to find niches and fresh ideas for Gen Alpha. Gen Alpha is the younger generation now of kids, the ones that invented 6-7, Italian Brain, and all that. And if you realized last year, many sales happened with T7 and Italian Brain, and some Gen Alpha slang words and etc. So today I'm gonna show you
how to find trends with Urban Dictionary.
This is an old website with many, it's a dictionary of slang, urban slang, and words that mostly young people use, Gen Alpha, also older people, but mostly young people. If you search here, you have many words. For example, if you go to A, all these are words, are slang words. For example, I don't know, this one, Babadook. I don't know what it is. If you don't get in bed, the Babadook is going to get you. They are all funny and spicy, so you have to be careful and of course check trademark. Of course that they are not insulting anyone. Everything like that. You can go whatever you go in. We go to I don't know Entone. So what's up, my Entone? This is all. I have to check that it's newer, and fresh. And this way you can find many funny keywords that are not oversaturated on Merch or Redbubble or whatever. But for this, I made a prompt here. This prompt, you can use it on ChatGPT, Gemini. I'm thinking of closing my ChatGPT this week or this month because I'm using more Gemini. But for this video, I'm going to use the deep search on ChatGPT. So I'm going to deep search urbandictionary.com, all the database, and tell me the 30 most popular words based on trends and social media popularity. So we go to ChatGPT, we put deep search, and we see how it goes. So yeah, I'm interested in the past month, the fresh ones. So the past month, specific platform, no, all platforms. So now it's gonna search the ones trending this month, past month, and in all platforms. Let's go. Okay, so after some minutes, we got the results. 30 trending urban dictionary terms, the most popular in this last month. Of course, number 1, 6-7. This one I'm not gonna use it because if you don't know 6-7 by now, I don't know where are you in the world. 6-7! So we continue. Rage bait. I've never heard of this one. We go to a Merchiformer search engine, put it there. Let's see what it brings. Some results, 484, that's good. We gotta put bestsellers, so we can see the demand. Yes, we have some demand. That's not an awesome BSR, but it's good. Well, we got some reviews. Okay, let's continue with the next one. Slop or ice slop. Slop, I don't know, too short word. But let's see. Slop. We got some results. How much? This is good. Slop. I'm gonna search all like 10 now. Logging in. We are going to logging in. Crash out. So Aura farming, I think, is popular, but I'm gonna put it anyway. Unk, short for uncle. Sounds promising. Swag, I think I also have heard before, but we're gonna put it anyway. Seller. chop it. These are all slangs. I'm too old to know what it is. Okay, let's see how it goes. In Rage, we have rage baiting. This is not a lot of products, but the BSR is not so awesome. Anyway, I'm gonna download this one. Slop, 400 results, that's good. BSR's not so good. Okay, I don't like it that much. Log it in, 93 results. We got one good BSR. It's not so on. Log it in. Okay, maybe. I'm gonna download. Then we have 900 results for crash out. This is not nothing to do, crash out. Yeah, I don't know. Oh, then we have out of farming. You see a lot of results, I knew it. But BSRs are not that good. Maybe yet it's not trending anymore. Then we go to Ankh, certify Ankh, 2000 result, but Ankle is a good niche to go. So certified Ankh, 50 bought last month, sounds promising. I'm gonna download it. Then we have this one is nothing, and then we have chopped 800 results, ESRs, waiting for it. Okay, but I think this is funny. We don't chop it. Okay, we have like how many here? Like 5 or 6 interesting results. Obviously, you can go through the whole list and check everything. That's the point. This is just an example. What I would do with this, for example, if I choose to deep search this rage baiting, I will go to Pinterest. Instead of copying the design I download, rage baiting, see what we get. Let's see, rage baiting. We found something funny, meme. Let's see. For example, I found this funny. Okay, perhaps this works. Is this rage bait? This is more funny. Have 400 likes and a lot of comments. This is a promising meme. So with this, I will go download it also. For all the examples, I will do the same. This is one approach. I will use my meme to share ChatGPT that I shared on my first video, and this is very easy. This meme to share is open. You can search it on the GPTs on ChatGPT, and it's open for everyone. You can find it there. Meme to share by Giancarlo Landivi. And I will go there. Let's see the result. So here it is. Again, I'm sorry for that, guys. Okay, here's making the prompt. I added some text, but let's see the result. This is only an example. I will go to Nano Banana Pro that I like. Create the image in Pro. Let's see the result it brings. This is a good result, but not. I will try a different one. So I'm going to my meme to share it again. Meme to share, and I will use the one with the cursor. Let's see what this brings. It changes the text, so I will ask to use the original text. Okay, this is good. Then we go to our Nano Banana Pro. We put create image. Let's see the result. Hopefully it's better than the cat. Yes, this is like better. Well, if you like the result, I like it. So I will download and prepare it for upscale or vectorize and remove the background. Repeating this process, you can find many slangs and Gen Alpha text that nobody had used, or low, or maybe are just starting to trend, and you can become the first one to put the t-shirts on Amazon merch. I hope you like the video. If you like the content, please subscribe and share it with your friends if you can, and write down in the comments what you would like to see on the next videos. Any ideas. You can critique also the channel. I have no problem with that, and see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.